In a matter of seconds, I was able to solve a matrix multiplication with the help of this scientific calculator. In this video, I'm going to explain in detail how I did it, so you can learn too and check your multiplications. Here, I'll leave you the whole process anyway, so you can see that when we solve it right now, we'll get exactly the same result. So let's see. Let's put our calculator here and start entering each of these numbers we have here in the matrices. All right, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is press here where it says Home, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Matrix. We press OK. Now we're going to press here where it says Tools, and we're going to define matrix A. So we press OK. Now it's asking me for the size. In this case, they're 3 by 3 matrices, right? So I press OK. And we're going to press where it says 3 by 3. Then we go here where it says Columns, and we're going to scroll down to where it says 3 columns done. Once we have the size, we press Confirm, and now we're going to enter each of the elements. So I get 5, I press Execute, then it's a 2, then it's 0. And well, I continue like that with all the others. All right, once I've entered each of the elements of matrix A, we press Execute, so it saves that matrix. Now we're going to do the same process, but for matrix B, so we press Tools and scroll down to where it says Matrix B. Again, we're going to set the size. In this case, it's a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So we do exactly the same thing. All right, we have the size set, we press Confirm, and again we're going to enter the elements. It's 3, then comes -1, then comes -2. And well, I continue like that. I want you to see that every time I enter an element, I'm pressing the key where it says Confirm so that these numbers get saved, right? Hold on, we're almost done. All right, now we have both matrices, right? Remember that at the end, you click on Execute so the matrix gets saved. Once we have them, we're going to click here where it says Catalog, and then here on OK, because here's the matrix, so we click it. We're going to pull up matrix A, so I go down with the arrow and click OK. See, it's already pulled up. Now we put times and do the same thing, but now with matrix B, so Catalog, Matrix, and I go down to where it says matrix B and click OK. Now we have matrix A times matrix B. Supposedly, when you hit Execute, it should give me the same answer, right? So we press it, and look, it already did the calculation. I got 15 then, here it's -3, -6, then 6, -10, -3, -14, and -22 done. That's how it turned out for me. So just like that, you can solve matrix multiplications with the help of your Casio scientific calculator. In this case, I'm using the FX991CW model. If you want me to keep making more videos like this, where I explain some functions of Casio scientific calculators, please let me know down below in the comments. See you next time. Take care and be good. Bye.